Hey boys, doing another little video here. I just did one for just basic charts, understanding and patterns and stuff like that. And what I did here is basically took the pattern of NVIDIA from 2018 to 2023 and just copied it off the NVIDIA chart and then pasted it and then tried to line up exactly the bottoming pattern of NVIDIA and the bottoming pattern onto Tidewater. So this is a bottoming pattern, and obviously here, ideal buy for an investor. So I bought this one down at like 27.58, I think it was. So I was buying into that strength. This thing could have gone down further and then crapped up. So I'm literally just sprinkling little bits of money. When you're looking long term, investing is boring. This is not short term, try to get rich quick. This is literally buying in bottoming patterns when a trend you see is going up and riding that trend till the trend ends and finding what the next trend is, and then you rotate your assets into the new trend. And it just repeats over and over in history. So buy there, you say, dang, you bought it at say $30 for easy math. Dang, it went up to $120 for easy math. I did 4x, right? Why not sell? Because what if this doesn't go down like this? I've got several stocks that never retested and they just launched. So had I done that and this hadn't done this, I would have missed out on what have you. So say it's up at 160 now and it was at 110. And I bought it at 27 and then added at A and added at B. How am I going to get back in when I sold for 110? I bought it at 27 and now it's $160. That's mentally, you're not going to be able to do it because you're going to be like, I'm an idiot. So just try to buy low, be patient. Point being, these patterns repeat across different assets. It's just bottoming patterns and they don't all look the same, but they repeat throughout time and throughout these charts. So this is so this is a shorter, all monthly candles. Each one of these are a weekly candle. So each one of these red or green is a week. And this is basically from, when is this? From 2012. So this is a 13-year chart, okay? Let's go to the whole history. So this company was founded in 71. It's an energy service company. So they basically help mine oil on rigs and stuff like that. They're basically they service rigs and that stuff for mining operations and oil. Same pattern here. This was the 70s bull market. This was the late 90s, early 2000 bull market, and you can see all these patterns repeat. They're not going to be identical. But me buying at 27 here is like me buying right down here, somewhere down in here before this, and I'm buying into strength. Same thing as I did over here. So this is a little something. So that's NVIDIA fractal overlaid on Tidewater. I found another one that is, it's called LEU, Centrus Energy. It's a uranium company, and Bitcoin's bottoming pattern back from 2011, 2012, whenever it was conceived, whenever they created it. And I put it on this. Hold on one sec, but let me get this lined up. And these are monthly charts. And you can see that fractal, the copied pattern of Bitcoin, is very strikingly similar. So buying down in here, buying into strength, it's going to hit this, hit this, hit this, hit this. Wait for the breakout, buy the retest. A and B. And if you can buy into strength, you may get kicked right in the you-know-what, and it may go down here. But you just got to be patient. You may want to add a little bit more down there. It's up to you. That's hard to do sometimes, but with practice, you can actually do it. And then let's look at this, because this is just this is a 10-year period from 15 to present. So let's look at the big pattern, the whole chart of LEU when it's got Bitcoin. So this is what we were just looking at, all right? And it literally matches up almost identical to Bitcoin's bottoming pattern. And then here is your last. Over here on the left with these two little circles, it's basically a double bottom. And then you're breaking a downtrend. Boom, going. So basically this would be your line across for the ideal buy for an investor. You would be wanting to buy into this strength. And once it broke this, I don't have the line there, but an imaginary straight line across where it's breaking the resistance, you would want to buy there. And then you would want to buy here again. So you're basically getting 1, 2, 3 opportunities to buy this into strength when market conditions are favorable for certain companies and different things going into cycle. So that's what I got. Love you, boys. Hope this helps.